During our struggle, we get to know about the world, but when our time comes, the world gets to know about us, and that time has finally arrived. A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Himanshu Sharma from Quant Masters, and I feel ecstatic to make a very big announcement. For all 2020 pass outs who are yet to be placed, or people who have salary less than 5 LPA, are eligible for the upcoming post which I'm going to talk about, okay, which is conducted by Infosys all across India, with two amazing packages, two amazing salaries, and two amazing designations. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us know more about it. But there is a catch here. The catch is the period to apply for it is less than 48 hours, which means what? The last day to apply for this drive is 27th of Jan 2021. Okay, so as soon as you finish watching this video, please go and apply for it. So let's start knowing more about the Infosys drive. So this is a freshers recruitment which is happening, which means what? Experienced people are not eligible. Only freshers are eligible. Two designations which I was talking about was, one was specialist programmer with a salary of 8 LPA, that is 8 lakh per annum. Sounds good, right? Sounds good. But they'll be roasting you at the same level. Okay. And the other one is system engineer specialist with a salary of 5 LPA. Basically here they in this role they'll be basically asking you about programming basics concepts. They will ask you to write codes. They will ask you more about working of codes. They will even go on to your project, and they will ask you even to code about your project. So basically they'll ask you everything about programming, whatever you mention in your resume, plus a bit of database management system and data structures also. So this is for 2020 batch, and it is pan India. So anybody across India are eligible to apply for it. So the roles are specialist programmer with 8 LPA and system engineer specialist with 5 LPA. Job location is all over India. Wherever you find Infosys offices, it is over there. So you will be posted over there. Experience are not needed. So they need freshers. Qualification. So what are the qualifications needed? Either you should be a B graduate or a B Tech graduate or a M Tech graduate, MCA or MSc, or you can be ME, that is Master of Engineering. So which branches are eligible, sir? The branches which are eligible are computer science, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics, and electronics and telecommunication. So these are the branches which are eligible. Now, two major questions. Okay. Question number one, sir, what about the eligibility with respect to our aggregate? So though online they have not mentioned, we have got in touch with various placement officers across India, and we have got to know that there is a cutoff mentioned in those colleges. Okay. So the cutoff is 60% in 10th, 60% in 12th, and 6 CGPA in your engineering from first sem to 8th sem. Okay. And one doubt here is, sir, if I've not done my 12th standard, I've done my diploma, then what, sir? Then you should have 65% in your diploma. Even diploma people are eligible to apply. Clear? And also you should not have a standing backlog or an active backlog. You can have a backlog in your past which you have cleared, but current backlog you should not have any. So these are the eligibility. So people who do not have 60 also apply for it, because they have not mentioned about it online. Okay, they have mentioned it in colleges but not online. So you apply for it. You never know when there will be a vacancy, if you will get a call or not. Even if you do not get it, is fine. Please apply for it. Okay, so this is about Infosys drive, and I hope you all will apply for it and start preparing as soon as possible. See, these are the times when your skills are tested. Okay, so I would again advise you not to waste your time this 6 to 7 months. No, people, please stay dedicated. Okay, learn as much as possible with respect to aptitude, communication skills you improve, technical skills you improve, know more about your projects, do more of internships. Okay, try to improve as much as possible, because you never know which day which company will arrive at the doorstep of your opportunity. Opportunities keeps coming, you just need to exploit them. So please be prepared. Even now, If you have not started your preparation, start your preparation now, because you never know which company will come. And also it is predicted that in the coming months, okay, the placements will increase. More and more companies will hire freshers. So this is a golden opportunity for you to improve yourself and get placed as soon as possible. Okay, so with this, I wish you all the very best. And if you're like, sir, I'm in need of training, okay, we are starting a new batch from tomorrow. Feel free to join this batch. Okay, so we'll be training live classes for 100 plus hours on aptitude, on technical, and also on verbal, and also interview training we'll be doing. Speciality about our training is, with respect to aptitude, we'll not be using any formulas, logics will be applying, and we'll make the concepts as simple, as short, and as interesting as possible. Apart from this, technical classes, 40 hours of live coding we will be doing, and showing you the codes, which is practical programming. Okay, and also 25 hours of coding classes we'll conduct. The 40 to 50 hours, what we are doing is we'll be training you on concepts and doing executions on that. Okay, the remaining 20-25 hours of pure coding with respect to companies which they ask in technical round. Apart from that, we will also train you for 10 hours on database management system. Computer networks will train separately for you. We will train you on operating systems. We'll train you on cloud computing. So many technologies. Okay. Also, we will train you for 10 hours on interviews, and we'll call HR from company and conduct one-on-one mock interviews for you. So basically, this is the most detailed, the most affordable training program, and I would say one of the most student friendly program, because more than 2000 people have enrolled and 70% people have been placed. And you can see that in our YouTube channel. We keep uploading photos, and also in our Instagram, and even you can check the Google reviews about us. Okay, so with this, I wish you all the best. If you are interested to join our course, please do join. We would wait to train you and see through it that you get placed. But if you're preparing on your own, feel free to refer our website for company specific papers. We have uploaded Infosys papers, so please do refer that and try to prepare as well as possible. Okay, so with this, I wish you all the best. May all of you get placed as soon as possible, and make your parents proud. Okay, take good care of yourselves. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Bye, people.